All right, so we just got to our recent project's house, and she called us back. There was a storm recently and said that there was one of the plants that was kind of falling, and she was an awesome client. We like helping our clients, so I said, hey, I'll come out and see what we can do and fix whatever kind of leaned over. So it also gave me an opportunity to come check out the patio that we installed. It's nice. It's a nice big area for hosting and having people on and doing whatever you may want. So one thing we had to do on this project was we actually had to redo the stairway. So it was not a very good use from like previously how it was set up. So we had to demo it out and redo it this direction. And a cool thing about an outdoor living project that tends to be overlooked, but it's one of the biggest bangs for your buck, to me provides one of the largest and highest returns on an outdoor living project would be the lighting. So for example, on these stairs right here, we did these ledge lights, and we did it every 2 risers. And so as you go up, obviously it's gonna light the stairs beneath it. So it's also a major key when it comes to safety. So aside from it being aesthetically pleasing, it's also a safety feature that you can add to your outdoor living space. All right, so let's check out. So I guess it's this tree right here. So yeah, this is a project. We came in here. This was I believe this was an old wall, if I'm remembering correctly. So yeah, we demoed this whole wall out, and I think this was just a dirt area. And then we graded this section out, and then we added these walls to level it and create like kind of a 2-tier layered patio section. And we also did some general landscaping, right? Like we graded the backyard, just to it was really bad before. We didn't do anything crazy, just nice and smooth. And then these plants we did along the side. So eventually they can grow in and give some screening on the side of it. So first part of this project was starting, aside from the grading and the excavation, was leveling the area so we could put this patio in. So that's where this block comes into play. So this is Rockwood 9D block. This obviously is in the gray colorway. It's a 8-inch tall by 18-inch wide by 9-inch depth. It is a hollow block. So we do fill that with stone. They're about 47 pounds a piece. And they are great for residential use, for commercial use, industrial, or even governmental. So it's a great block to use, very cost effective. I believe it also comes in a tan and a brown colorway as well. And it's got this nice chiseled, textured style to it. So it's a good block to choose. So next part about this project is this gorgeous border to this main paver field. So this is Unilock Holland Stone. This is in the charcoal colorway. It is a 4-inch by 8-inch paver. So it provides some really nice border styles. So you can do many different patterns with this block, like a herringbone or a basket weave. It is also a great block for multiple different uses. You can use it for your driveway, so light use vehicle, and it can be used for both residential and commercial pedestrian walkways. So it is a nice block to use, nice pavers to use. It's very versatile. It also comes in a tan and a brown and a tan brown mixed colorway along with a gray. So this is a nice paver to use. Moving from this border, we have the piece de resistance, the main paver field. So this is the blue 60 paver. It is a gray nickel. It is obviously the 3-piece pattern. So this paver right here comes in multiple different colorways, from tans to browns to grays to like grayish blue tones. Gorgeous pavers for many different applications. It also comes in a polished look. It comes in a smooth look, texture-wise. And so there's many different styles of this pavers that you can choose. You can also get it in the 1-piece along with this 3-piece. So if you wanted to do a 1-piece style, then that is an option as well. This right here, when you're kind of looking at this whole project, was about 1,150 or so square feet of this blue 60 paver. So this is a really, really nice budget conscious paver that really gives you a big bang for your buck. So this is a nice option for many different patios.